Welcome back. Well, we know lots of pet owners that if you have a little itchy dog or cat, it can be so frustrating for the animals and their owners. In fact, August has actually been designated Itchy Pet Awareness Month. That just makes me giggle. It's not funny, but it is kind of silly the way we're describing it. To help us address skin conditions today that will cause your pet's itchiness, we've got veterinarian and ambassador to Badlands Ranch, Dr. Ambika Vaid. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
This can be really frustrating if your pet's uncomfortable,
Yes,
right? We
100%.
certainly don't want them to be uncomfortable. So what are some of these symptoms, or what causes these symptoms?
So there's many different reasons for why dogs and cats get allergies. Seasonal allergies are really big during this time of the year. So increased pollen because of the grass, trees, and weeds and things like that. That'll cause dogs to react in their skin versus humans get it in respiratory systems. So we're not seeing the sneezing and coughing, we're seeing a lot more itchiness because of that.
Is it more common in dogs than cats?
Yes, because
Why?
cats are a lot more indoor, so they're not seeing those seasonal allergies, so we're seeing a lot more in dogs than we are in cats.
How severe can this get?
Pretty severe, depending on what the cause of the allergy is. So there's three main causes of allergies in dogs. Flea allergy dermatitis, which is not just the flea biting, but dogs can be allergic to the saliva of the flea. So they'll get like a generalized dermatitis because of that. Seasonal allergies, and then food allergies, being allergic to the food that they're eating. So it can get very severe if they don't know what the cause is.
That makes sense. For the seasonal, I think of adult, humans, we really struggle with certain times a year. Is it the same for dogs, or can it be throughout the year?
Yeah, so warmer months means a lot more fleas out in the world, so making sure you're up to date on that prevention, and again, that pollen just being a lot more prevalent during the warmer months as well.
So if we do have a pet who's kind of like itching and you feel like this is probably more than like the normal little scratch and lick, what should we do as pet owners?
So the most important thing is figuring out what is the cause of it, right? So if it's a food allergy, changing their protein source to something novel, like lamb, venison, something new they've never been on before, and a good quality meat. Making sure that you're doing that for at least 6 to 8 weeks to see if it helps them feel better. If it's more of a seasonal allergy or flea allergy, putting them on a supplement, something that has flax seeds or omega fatty acids to help protect their skin layer, to help kind of make them calm down a little bit, help them feel better. Oatmeal shampoos are also a really good idea as well.
How do we figure that out though from the beginning? Like the doggy starts getting itchy. Like how do you go through your list of like check this, this, and this?
That's a great question. So flea allergies typically like to live in the tail base. If you're seeing a lot of biting at the tail base, on the back, a lot of scratching on the back, think more fleas. If you're seeing licking of their paws, getting really itchy after a walk, think more seasonal. Chronic ear infections that you're getting your dog's ears treated for ear infection, but it keeps coming back, more food related.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good information.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dr. Vaid, thank you. As always, we appreciate you.